Hey Cucumbers, this is the Triplo V2. As you can see, it can measure voltage in a range of 30 volts, a scale of 300 volts, and maybe 3000. The circuit looks like this. You've got two 510 kilo ohm resistors in parallel, and then in series with two 510 mega ohm resistors also in parallel, and that makes your voltage divider circuit. And then up here we have the rotary switch, which looks like this, so that we can switch between the 30, 300, and 3000 settings between the voltage divider. And then we have the in and the out and two mounting holes. This is an earlier version of the design, but you can just see what it looks like when it's assembled. So this doesn't have the mounting holes or the text, but otherwise it's the same. And finally, we have the full 360 view of the voltmeter. On the front, we have the switch and dial indicator. On the back is the circuit connected to the 2 points of contact. And finally, the 3D printed mount to hold it all together. And that's it. That's the Triplo Voltmeter V2.